Good Saturday evening, and here's your webcast for tonight. We saw some gloomier conditions across Tuscaloosa as well as central Alabama throughout most of this Saturday. Just a few peaks of sunshine. Overall, though, lots of clouds. Now, I know satellite radar graphic right here is showing rain, but actually a lot of this that's picking up on radar was not actually rain making it to the ground. It was precipitation falling in the sky, but we had a dry layer within the atmosphere, so a lot of that rain that was falling was evaporating before it actually made it to the surface. So just a few light sprinkles out there today, but lots of clouds making for those gloomy conditions. Highs in those upper 80s, very warm conditions. Still think Jasper got quite to 95. A little bit of an issue, that sensor there. Looking over at Tropical Storm Harvey now downgraded from a Category 4 from last night, so we're about 24 hours past landfall now a tropical storm, so dramatically weaker but still packing a major punch for Texas, not from winds, not from storm surge now, but from just the immense amount of rain that is bringing for this state, especially along the east coast right now. Looking at the track for it, looks like it's just going to kind of sit exactly where it is. Notice that track model showing that's just going to kind of chill right there on the east coast of Texas, and that's going to make another major issue with this storm because we've already gotten in some areas 15 inches of rain, and guess what? Another 15 inches of rain are on the way, which means Texas by the next 5, or at least within the next 5 days, is going to see almost 30 inches of rain. That is a massive amount of precipitation in a very short amount of time. So flooding is going to be a major issue. Here back at home, starting off early tomorrow morning, still seeing some clouds out there. We're going to see the chance for some very isolated stray showers in the afternoon. You see a couple of those this mild picking up on North Alabama. I think they could come a little bit further south into more of actual central Alabama around that I-20, I-22 line. Going into tomorrow night, though, that rain comes to an end. Some clouds sticking with us through the overnight hours, though. Then we get into Monday morning. Clouds, those are going to be really sticking with us. And this model not wanting to pick up on any rain, but I think we could see some stray showers, especially by the time we get into the afternoon with temperatures in the 80s. So we start getting into Tuesday, you see this model now picking up on some of these showers, trying to bring in some of those early on in the morning. I think we could see those just throughout any portion of the day in reality, with a lot of this moisture finally starting to come up off of the Gulf of Mexico. Looking at our rain chances for the next 5 days, you can see they're slowly increasing. By the time we get to the middle of next work week, that's when we're going to see major increases in our rain chances and seeing numerous showers and storms each day. Overnight tonight, lows dropping down to 70s. Partly cloudy skies, still fairly mild for the day tomorrow. It's going to be dealing with those clouds just throughout. It's going to be hard to get a peak of sunshine. Temperatures, though, still fairly warm in those upper 80s. Looking into our extended forecast, like I said, rain chances increasing each day over the next several days till finally we get to about Wednesday, and that's when we really start seeing warm, moist air coming up off the Gulf of Mexico. That's when we're meeting with a trough further towards our north, and that's going to be getting a lot of uplift going to get a lot of these showers and storms to develop, and that's going to last Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even on into next weekend.